So yesterday I was showing to you, actually 2 days ago I was showing to you the dragon fruit tree that Newman has in his garden, right? Well, the flowers are popping out and they're pretty amazing. That's the size of my hand. They're huge. Amazing. Amazing Mother Nature. Tomatoes looking good. House is looking good. Sky is looking good. Coconut is looking good. Trees looking good. Chicken running looking good. Everything is looking good. Good morning, guys. This morning I take you back to school. I hope you have your bags ready. Gonna have a good look at what they do, activities and so on. And we're gonna talk about serious things also, about kids that cannot access the school yet. Let's go. Gotta admit, I was not a very good student back in the days. Always like making jokes and do whatever, and yeah, I was the clown of the classroom basically. But it doesn't matter because I follow what I liked the most. Who's the boss now? Careful, kids, better listen to what the teacher has to say. Udah senyum. Itu videonya bisa bicara? Bisa. Come on, kids. Be serious. Elmo.
Keren. Tinggal orang nah. Tinggal orang. Ya.
So today I take you back to school, right? And I'm thinking about all the kids that are not in this school yet. That means that as many kids as you see today, as you saw today, is there's still some missing, living in the hills. So they need help. They need help from you. You'll be able to help soon. So we can bring everybody in school. Terima kasih untuk hari ini.
Terima kasih, thank you.
You're welcome. Goodbye.
Ayo salaman dulu. Ayo cowoknya salaman dulu cowoknya semua.